Setting protection goals along with wealth building to achieve financial freedom. Now that's smart thinking, isn't it? Hi, I'm your Shubchintak Rahul. Let me introduce you to a plan which will help you take confident steps towards your goals. SBI Life Smart Wealth Builder. It is a plan with which you get the dual benefit of life insurance and wealth creation by investing in multiple funds. While this is certainly the highlight of this plan, let me take you through the other advantages. When you take the plan on survival, you will receive the fund value as a lump sum. In case you are not around, your family is secured with death benefit received either in lump sum or in installments. The other benefits during the policy are guaranteed additions at the end of 10th policy year and every 5th year thereafter till maturity to boost your payouts. Get the flexibility of switching and premium redirection to suit your changing investment needs. Now you can go ahead and confidently achieve all your dreams. Plan smart with SBI Life Smart Wealth Builder and make your life a big success. We take great efforts to meet our customers' expectations across India, and our satisfied customers are proof of that. If you have any concerns, do get in touch with us.